Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix WhatsApp business multi-device mode tutorial. So in this tutorial, in order to enable WhatsApp business multi-device mode, you just want to go to the link device in the app section. So basically you want to open up the WhatsApp business. So currently I have to install WhatsApp business. So it's the same interface as WhatsApp or official WhatsApp app. So what you want to do is open up your WhatsApp business app. Let's see, this is the one. Then tap the three dot icon at the top right and go to settings. Or you could simply tap on the three dot and go to link devices. As soon as you click on the link device, you simply want to click on link device and enable this biometric or the verification code. Now then you want to make sure to go ahead and scan the QR code. So you just want to scan the QR code onto the other device, and once you've scanned, your primary phone will open the QR code scanner like this, and you can go ahead and scan and you'll be able to use WhatsApp business on multiple device. So this is the simplest thing you could do in order to enable this function. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.